Hey everyone, want to create AI-powered presentations that look professional without paying for premium? Today, I'm revealing a genius trick. Use Gamma AI to generate your presentation in seconds. Then remove the watermark using Canva for completely free. This hack will save you hours and money. Let's get into it. Step 1, we're using Gamma AI to do all the heavy lifting. This AI will create our entire presentation in literally 60 seconds. Go to gamma.app and sign up for free. You get free credits to start. Click Create New AI and select Presentation. Now here's the key, give Gamma a detailed prompt. I'm typing, create a 10-slide presentation about sustainable fashion trends. Include statistics, images, and actionable tips. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. Gamma's AI creates a full outline in seconds. Review it, make any quick changes, then click Continue. Pick a theme that matches your vibe. They're all gorgeous. Click Generate, and boom, a complete, professional presentation ready in under a minute. Look at this. Beautiful design, AI-generated content, relevant images, it's incredible. But there's one problem. See that? The Gamma watermark. On the free plan, this appears on every slide. But don't worry, we're about to remove it completely for free. Here's what you do. In Gamma, click the 3 dots menu or Export button. You'll see options. We want to export as PDF or PowerPoint. I'm choosing PowerPoint because it gives us more editing flexibility. Download it to your computer. This might take a few seconds depending on your presentation size. And we're done with Gamma. Now comes the Canva magic. This is where we work our magic and get a completely professional, watermark-free presentation. Head to canva.com. You can use the free version for this. Click Create a Design and select Presentation. Now, instead of starting from scratch, we're going to import our Gamma presentation. Go to Uploads on the left sidebar, click Upload Files, and select the PowerPoint file you just downloaded from Gamma. Canva will process it. This takes about 10 to 20 seconds. Once uploaded, click on the file and Canva will import all your slides perfectly. And look, no watermark. The Gamma watermark is completely gone. Now you can edit anything you want. Click on any text to change it, drag images to reposition them, change colors. Canva gives you total control. The best part? All of Gamma's amazing AI-generated content is still here. You're just editing it in Canva now. Since we're in Canva, let's make it even better. When you're happy with everything, click Share at the top right, then Download. Choose your format: PowerPoint, PDF, or even MP4 video. Click Download, and you're done. You now have a professional, AI-generated presentation with 0 watermarks, completely free. No premium subscriptions needed. Just Gamma AI's power combined with Canva's flexibility. This trick literally saves you hours of work and money. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me what presentation you're creating, and subscribe for more free AI hacks like this. Now go create something amazing. See you in the next one.